So the mission of the Legal Information Center is overall to empower students with legal knowledge. And we do this by taking in students as walk-ins. When they're having legal issues, they can come in and we provide them with a safe space where they can talk about their legal issues, and we provide them with information so that they can better understand their issues and hopefully seek help and figure out really what the next step is for them. The other thing that we do is we provide educational programming. This includes a lot of different events basically that just educate students about legal issues before they have problems, hopefully. So a lot of the resources that we have are really plain language versions of other things. For instance, we have a simplified Landlord-Tenant Act that we often give to students just so that they can better understand their issue without having to interpret some really wordy law. And so that's really helpful. Another thing that we do is we refer students to legal clinics. A lot of them are put on by Walkins law advocates, and that allows students to get free legal advice when they're having civil law issues. So every year we do a variety of events focusing on a variety of legal issues. Pretty much every year we do some sort of renters' rights event. A ton of the students who come into our office are having landlord-tenant issues. This allows us to really get at them when they're about to move off campus or when they're about to change their lease so that we can really help them know their rights so that they can exercise them when they are dealing with their landlord and signing their lease. Another thing that we generally do every year is some sort of Know Your Rights event where students can figure out how they can interact with police officers and what that means and what their rights are in those situations. So another event that we generally do every year is an event concerning marijuana law, especially after the passage of I-502. This allows students to really get up to date on what all of those laws are, because they're changing a lot and there are a lot of discrepancies, so it can be kind of confusing.